What's up, guys? This is your boy Bernardo from the BTNHD, and this week we are checking out Lenovo's Yoga 730. Super excited to get this guy inside the lab, so let's get started. All right, so what comes inside the box? I couldn't find the instructions, and the instructions are actually inside the black box where the 65-watt power adapter came from. It's inside this nice little slot, but it's just basically instructions of the device, what comes inside the box. The only thing that does not come with the Yoga 730 is the active pen. And it also comes with warranty information. So keep that stuff in hand. Again, this is the 65-watt power adapter with the cable. So let's insert it here. Boom. Awesome. And on the other end, it looks like it is a Type-C connection. Cool. Thunderbolt Type-C. Awesome. So I'm going to put this to the side. And we have the beautiful Yoga 730 hybrid laptop. It's a hybrid because it allows you to convert itself into a tablet, which is always a great thing. Look at that. Boom. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so let's put this guy inside laptop mode and turn it on. All right, so far, I'm loving it. I'm loving the design. I'm loving the color. I think the entire body or the case material of the Yoga 730 is made out of aluminum. That's awesome, because it's really sturdy, it's solid. So some of the specifications that I know so far on this machine is that it is rocking a beautiful 13.3-inch Full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 IPS display with anti-glare multi-touch. Awesome. It is running a quad-core Intel i5 8th generation processor. Now it is a 8250U with a clock speed of 1.6 gigahertz. Now I think for the graphics HD, it is between 620 to 630. I definitely need to open up the task manager to check that out. And let's turn this guy on. I'm going to press the power button, which is on the right hand side, to launch that guy up real quick. The primary operating system is Windows 10 Home Edition. It comes with 8 gigs of memory. Hard drive space is about 256 gigs solid state drive. I think it's a Samsung solid state drive. Fast boot time, that's the solid state drive. Display's kind of dull, so I'm going to raise it up a little bit. That's the highest that the display could go. Let's go all the way down. That's the lowest. Ooh, it's basically black. Wow, that's the first time that I've seen a display go black when I go all the way down. Now that's awesome. So let's raise it up all the way to 100. All right, it's not really vibrant, not really bright, but it's okay. Let's see if we can right click on the task manager, and let's see if these specifications that I gave you guys are right. Okay, awesome. Again, like I said, an Intel Core i5 8250U, clock speed of 1.60, quad core, 8 gigs of memory, solid state drive is a Toshiba, cool, 256 gigs. And for the graphics card, it is rocking a graphics 620, which is not that bad. Awesome. Okay, so those are the specifications on this particular laptop or hybrid laptop that we are checking out this week. So how about the ports? There's a lot of ports, not a lot of ports, but if you have the laptop facing you, open up the way that I have it. On your right hand side, we have our power button. We have a 3.0 USB always on. Cool. On the left hand side, we have 2 Thunderbolt ports. One of them is the one that you're going to plug in your power adapter. And last but not least, we have our combo jack, which allows us to hook up a mic or headphone. The device itself does have a fingerprint scanner right here, which is awesome. Definitely need to test that out. The trackpad itself, nice size, really big, cool. It does have a 720p HD fixed focus webcam right here at the top. The Yoga 730 13-inch is awesome. I mean, so far, I'm loving the design. I really like the body. It's considered a yoga because you're able to do all this stuff right here. Like right now it's closed. Let me see if I can open up. It's a little difficult opening it up, which is okay. I need to get used to that. But you're able to convert it into a tablet. And then you have, what is it, presentation mode. Then you have tent mode. Sign in real quick. Tent mode. Okay, and then you have laptop mode. So those are the 4 modes that you could convert this guy into. That is why it's considered a yoga, because of the hinge design that they have right here. The keyboard does look like it's backlit. All right, that's pretty awesome. That is backlit. It looks like it has 2 levels. Right now it's turned off. This is 1 level, which turns it on. This is the 2nd level. And then the 3rd level basically kind of turns it off. So 1 tap to turn it on. 2nd gets brighter. Last one turns it off, which is cool. All right, so I'm really excited to get the 730 13-inch yoga hybrid laptop in the lab. There's a couple things that I'm definitely want to test out is the battery. The battery itself comes with a 48-watt battery. I would like to see how long that lasts. I would say maybe 5 to 6 hours of battery usage. I'm only assuming, but I definitely need to test that out for you guys. I would like to see how this machine handles heating, because the entire body is made out of aluminum. So I'm kind of assuming that it's going to get really hot, but there's a lot of ventilation right here in the bottom. Vents here as well as vents over here at the back. So that's cool. So I'm also assuming, I'm like half and half. I feel like it's going to get really hot, but also stay cool as well because of all the ventilation that it has. At the bottom right here, looks like we have JBL speakers, or speakers at the bottom that are powered with JBL. It's not that heavy. It looks like, I would say, between 3 pounds, under 3 pounds. Very limited with the ports. I think this is one of those laptops that are mostly used for traveling and light editing, maybe. I definitely need to test that out with Premiere and Photoshop. And yeah, I think the retail price for this guy is under $1,000. I think with the specs that I got to review for you guys, I think starting price is around $900, which is not that bad. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy my unboxing / first impressions of Lenovo's Yoga 730 hybrid laptop. If you have any concerns or questions, leave them at the bottom. And I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.